Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to enter a Pandora code and activate your account or promo offer. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Pandora activation page at www.pandora.com/activate. Once you're on the activation page, sign into your Pandora account with your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one. After signing in, you'll be prompted to enter your Pandora code. This code is usually provided to you through email or a promotional offer. Carefully type in the activation code exactly as it appears. Once you've entered the code, click the Activate button. If the code is correct, you'll receive confirmation and be able to access the benefits associated with your code, such as premium features or a subscription upgrade. Now you're all set. Enjoy streaming your favorite music on Pandora. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.